Hey there, welcome back to our channel Lichybees Exim. Today we are diving into the world of sustainable shopping with nonwoven bags. If you are looking for an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags, you are in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all the eco-conscious things. Now let's talk about non-woven shopping bags. Non-woven bags are made from fabric-like materials bonded together by chemical, mechanical, heat or solvent treatment. They are strong, durable and reusable while making them perfect choice for shopping needs. One of the best things about non-woven bags is their versatility. Whether you are buying groceries, clothes, or gifts, these bags can handle it all. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes, colors, and designs, so you can find the perfect one to suit your style. And here's the best part of non-woven bags, that they are eco-friendly. Unlike plastic bags that takes hundreds of years to decompose, non-woven bags are biodegradable and recyclable. By choosing non-woven bags, you are helping to reduce plastic pollution and protect the environment. But wait, there's more. Non-woven bags are also cost-effective and easy to customize. Whether you are a business looking to promote your brand or an individual wanting to add a personal touch, non-woven bags offer endless possibilities. So, the next time you are shopping, ditch the plastic bags and opt for non-woven bags. Thanks for tuning in, Eco Warriors. And don't forget to hit the like button, share, and comment below with your thoughts on non woven shopping bags. Until next time, stay green. Thank you.